Hi, I'm Dr. Ritu Sethi. I'm MD in Gynecology and Obstetrics. I've done my MBBS and my post-graduation, that is MD in Gynae and Obstetrics from Lady Hardinge Medical College, one of the most renowned medical colleges in India. I've done my senior residency from Lady Hardinge too, and along with that, I worked as an assistant professor in a renowned hospital in Jaipur as well as in Amritsar. And I've been associated with Columbia Asia for the past 6 years. My areas of specialization are gynae endocrinology, infertility, and also special interest in high-risk pregnancies. Now in Columbia Asia, we are doing deliveries from 28 weeks up till term babies, and my special interest is high-risk pregnancies because we are able to salvage babies who are as small as 1 kg up till those who are abnormally grown too. The problems patients can encounter in any trimester, and we have special backup for managing these pregnancies in all the 3 trimesters. Now in the first trimester, mostly patients come to us with complaints like abnormal bleeding, threatened abortions, or abnormal pregnancies like a molar pregnancy, a missed abortion. We have special OT set up to manage these pregnancies. DNCs are done under special care, and patients are discharged without any kind of complications. Again, in the second trimester, patients come to us with preterm labor, they come to us with bleeding. We have again a very dedicated labor room staff to handle these patients. They are given special care and discharged home safely so that they can prolong the pregnancy up till term. In term babies, we have seen that many patients come to us in labor early, or they might have premature rupture of membranes. We have a very good pediatric setup, and because of them, we are able to deliver these babies before term, and they are able to prolong go up till the last trimester, even after delivery, and because of the special NICU setup. Also, we have a very good dedicated OT staff which can handle pregnancies in which there is abnormal bleeding, the placenta localization is not normal. So because of this, all this can be done, and also high-risk pregnancies like patients who are having severe diabetes or hypertension, they can also be managed in our hospital. We have a very good high dependency unit in which critical care patients can also be admitted, especially obstetric patients, and they can be treated to the best possible care which is available.